Hey guys, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.Luxe. Today, I'm going to be giving y'all a full review of the Gucci Ophidia Pouch. Y'all been rocking with me. Y'all know I got this for my birthday this year, and I must say, she's a hit. So this is the Gucci Ophidia Pouch. This is a coated canvas in the beautiful classic Ophidia design. You have your enamel, I don't want to say button, what is this? Emblem. Your enamel emblem. You have the Gucci webbing to the bottom of the bag. The back is plain and simple. It's trimmed out in leather. Then you have this front zip that goes the whole length of the bag, and it's pretty deep. And then you have the top zipper into the main compartment, which is also lined. I don't think it's suede. It's one of those really nice microfibers, but it's quite lovely. And the interior has this tag right here, but there is no pockets. It's literally a pit. All of the details are in my original unboxing video, so I'll link that for you. This clutch has been really clutch. I've enjoyed having it in my collection. I really don't have any cons to this bag. What I do see happening is that maybe the webbing might get a little balled up. You know how cotton does. That's the only real negative, other than the fact that the interior lining will at one point get a little dirty. So far, I am pretty lucky, but I am mindful of what I put in. So I don't try to put any like sort of loose lipsticks or lotions into the bag, because I already know I'm not trying to ruin my bag. This clutch is something that you can't be afraid to, you know, get a little warping. You need to really go into it knowing that you need to wear it, okay? This is realistically what I would carry in here. So in this front zipper, I would keep my cell phone, and you can see it's quite thick. And then in the interior, this is what I have. So I have a mini pochette, keys, lipstick, coin purse, a card holder, and this is acting as my wallet. And that's what I would probably fit in on a normal basis. So let's get into some other options, because I know y'all want to see it. So let's try a full-size wallet. One thing to note, if you have a bulky phone like me, I suggest stuffing this first and then putting your stuff in, because if you start to put your stuff in the center compartment and then try to put your phone in, you're gonna be like, oh my god, my phone doesn't fit. So just do that first. Keys, let's tuck it right there. Pocket organizer, card holder, a lipstick. Let's do a round coin purse. Ooh, I love playing Tetris with you guys. There we go. All right, of course, warping is to be expected, but all that stuff does fit in here. If you wanted to put a mini pochette in here with a long wallet, I don't really advise it, but I'm gonna show you. Doesn't, well, I mean, I have it up here flip upside down, so the thinner part will be right there, and that does fit. Let's throw that in there too. My keys. Severe warping, but you would definitely have to put your mini pochette upside down to really reap its benefits, because putting her like this is not gonna work. Let's try a smaller wallet. Let's do compact zippy. Let's put her vertically. Let's do that. Let's do a card holder. We'll put the mini pochette up in here too. Round coin purse. Girl, where you going without your keys though? Absolutely nowhere. Ooh, these things are getting harder to... All right, nope. Okay, I gotta take the coin purse out. Mind you, I still have my phone in the front pocket. There we go. Not too bad, not too bad. I probably could have put my lipstick in. Yeah, I could put my lipstick in it too. So that's another option. Let's switch out the wallet for the zippy, the Victorine. Okay, and now I can try to put in my coin purse. There we go, there we go. We're doing it, we're doing it. Let's do another like logical real world scenario. Card holder, keys. Let's do sunglasses in my coin purse. Do I have my lipstick? Yeah, I have my lipstick. Yeah, you got your lipstick. You got your lipstick. You got your lipstick. You got your lipstick. This is probably more than likely what I would be carrying around with this. Let's try a Toiletry 15 pouch with stuff in it. Because that is a thicker base, I am gonna go with a card holder, round coin purse, keys. Remember, the phone is still in the front. That does fit. Would you put a mini pochette in there? No. I'ma just show you. This is how it looks right now. Not too bad. I wouldn't. Let's try it. We're here for shits and gigs. All right, if I turn toiletry on the side. Oh, I mean, put the keys in the middle. Okay, so I have the Toiletry 15, the mini pochette, and my keys in, and my phone in the front pocket. So, I mean, that does work. If you had a thin card holder, oh yeah, there you go. We're in there. Let me try the bigger card holder. A little tighter, but it does fit. So, I mean, the possibilities are endless, guys. Something I personally would not put in here, but we're gonna test it anyway. Medium MM agenda. Why someone would do that, I don't know, but it's possible. Keys, because I think that's the only thing I'm gonna fit in here. Keys in the agenda. Keys in the agenda. Maybe a thin card holder, just slide that. You know what? Let's try to put her in the front and see how that one goes. Okay. If you put the card holder in the front with your phone, then you could carry the agenda. Do I advise it? Yeah. But also keep in mind that the agenda does have card slots, so you don't necessarily have to carry a card holder if you carry the agenda. So far, the wear on this has been pretty great. I've been really enjoying this piece. All of the zippers go pretty smoothly. I haven't had any like rips or tears or anything like that. And you guys know I'm a little aggressive, not hard, but aggressive with my items, and this one is pretty durable. I gotta give it credit where credit is due. This has been such a lovely piece in my collection. I'm just super happy that I even have something from the Ophidia line, because it's so classic and I can carry this for years. This is a design that was made in the 70s, and I just feel like, y'all know I love me something that looks vintage. I think this is a great piece. It's relatively inexpensive and it's just hard wearing. If you're someone who like wears your stuff pretty hard, I would consider this piece. The only thing is that you gotta look after that interior. That's the only downside to it. And if you are a wristlet kind of gal, that might be a downfall for it, is that it doesn't have a wristlet. However, there is a hole on this zipper that you can probably attach a wristlet of some sort. But I mean, that's up to you, you know what I'm saying? It's your bag, you do what you want. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Check out some of my other videos. Now I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.